Hello?
Hey,
Hey,
teach
girl.
me how to make my wig like that.
Okay, I got you. Let's
Let's
go,
go,
sis.
sis.
Okay, first you're going to put the cap on the mannequin head, and then you're going to measure from the bottom to the top to 9 inches.
Why you ain't use no dome cap?
After you mark it off at the 9 inches, you're going to transfer your head measurements onto the mannequin head from ear to ear, going across the top.
I'm gonna have to go back and watch your hair transfer measurement video, cause
And then from the white line, you're going to measure your head measurement from front to back. And make sure you go down 1 inch because when you go and sew the tracks onto the cap, it's going to make it a tad bit smaller.
okay, where the hair at?
Okay, so you're going to get the closure and you're going to fold it in half so you can find the middle.
Oh yeah, cause I don't want my wig to be lopsided.
After that, place the frontal on top of the cap.
Why you ain't told me you had cut a split when you folded it?
Next, you're going to line up the slit on the line you made for the 9 inches, and you're going to slide the frontal down a good 2 inches so the wig can fit properly. After that, you're going to sew down the closure on one side by the ear area so you can get a nice snug fit. I actually had used this cap so you can see where the ear lies so you can know where to place the frontal at.
How I sew it down?
First, you're going to pin it down right where the little flap is at. And make sure when you stretching it, don't stretch it too tight, but stretch it real snug so it can fit real good. All right, so before you go and sew it down, you're going to braid the hair or you're going to pin the hair away from the back area so when you sew it down, it won't be all, tangle up in your way.
I'm mad you just assume everybody know how to braid. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm.
After you pin the frontal down, you're going to get you a measuring tape and you're going to measure by half an inch going all the way up to the top. Some people do it by the inch, but I like to do it by every half an inch because to me it's a little more easier for me to lay my tracks. All right, so after you get your markings for your guideline, then all you have to do from here on out is connect the dots from the middle and go all the way around to the side of the frontal.
Them lines ain't straight, sis.
You see how I'm taking the measuring tape and using it as my guide to help me along the way, because as you can see, if I don't use it, my line's going to be crooked.
I told you I ain't lying about them lines.
All right, so as you get to the top, you're going to make the lines going straight across, and then at the back, you're going to connect the dots going from the bottom to the top.
All right, now please show me how to sew these bundles in. I ain't got time for all that.
So when you finish sewing the frontal down, you're going to sew the bundles in, starting from the bottom and going all the way across on top of the lines. It's so easy peasy. When you do the flip over method, you're going to sew the hair going to the line above the line you was working on, and then you're going to lock it in right there on the end. All right, bing. Then you're going to flip it over, and you see how it's like right there on the line above? That's where you want it to be. So flip it over, pin that down, and then you're going to sew it right there on the tail end so it can be nice and snug and so the wig can be flat around the closure and around the ears. Bing. Then you're going to keep sewing all the way around till you get to the top.
I ain't no stylist, so you need to give me a tip or something.
So the last piece right behind the frontal, and then next you're going to take the wig off and you're going to cut the excess net that's under the lace.
I'm scared of that part because I'll be scared I'm going to cut my lace.
After you cut the lace from under the frontal, this is how it should look. All right, so put the wig on and then you're going to cut your lace. Make little slits on the side and in the middle so it can help you along the way. Get you an eyebrow razor and you're going to razor it right underneath the hairline. I like to leave a little space just in case I have to go back in and cut a little more because you can always cut more. But once you cut it, that's it.
So how you make it match your skin? Because I see that line.
Get some makeup press powder that match your skin complexion. And then you're going to dab it on there around the hairline so it can blend in with your skin. See that?
Damn, that line gone. I can't even see that line.
So use as much as you can, but make sure, you pat off the excess powder before you apply it because you don't want to get onto your hair.
Why you ain't put the powder under your lace, though?
This how I chose to do it for right now, so hush up and pay attention.
I'm just asking. You ain't had to get no attitude.
Now, spray some lace melting spray on it or some spritz on it or some got to be glued or whatever you got. Then put your lace band on it so it could be nice and flat after you style it.
Why you ain't do no baby hair before you put the band on it?
After you comb the hair out real good, you're going to either leave it like that or you can style it. Ooh, look at that hairline.
That thing melted.
But I am going to put some little accent pieces around the hairline instead of baby hair because that's just what I like to do. Then I'm going to put the band on that so I can set that.
Is you gonna style it or what?
You know what? Why not? All right, so I'm about to take this ponytail down so I can put a little style in it. So I took two little accent pieces that's in the front, hang that down so it can cascade around my face, put all the hair up into a ponytail so I can have it looking. Oh, that's cute right there. I should leave it like that, but now I ain't gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take the ponytail out and have it hanging all the way down, and then I'm gonna flip it out a little bit, get some accessories with some chopsticks,
Oh, that's cute.
and then I'm done. Coming back if you need my help.
Okay, thank you.